At Clayman Company, we believe that the secret to hair restoration and healthy growth begins from the inside. That's why we created Samson's Secret, a natural hair loss treatment supplement. After 15 years of continuous research, we discovered a proprietary blend of natural ingredients designed to stimulate hair growth and retention in healthy follicles. Topical treatments can be invasive, expensive, and never reach the root cause. So, the best way to maintain strong, healthy hair is from the inside, by feeding your hair follicles. Often, hair loss can be tied to improper or not enough nutrition. The ingredients in Samson's Secret have been known to promote hair growth, nourish hair follicles, provide nervous system support, and reduce stress. When you take Samson's Secret natural hair loss treatment twice daily, strength and fullness are added as your hair grows through each growth cycle. Choose from gel capsules or a liquid supplement. Maximum results have been achieved after using Samson's Secret for 3 consecutive months. But customers have seen results after just 1 month of recommended use. Call us at 484-478-1982 or visit us online at samsonsecret.com to learn more about Samson's Secret, your natural hair loss treatment.